Hi everyone, my name is Kazu. In this channel, I would like to show you how to make Japanese food at your own home. And it's very easy. All you need to buy is soy sauce, and then you can enjoy Japanese food. We're gonna do teriyaki sandwich today, so let's get on with it. So, to make teriyaki sandwich, I would like to have bread, lettuce, onions, chicken of course. To enjoy teriyaki sandwich, we're gonna have to make teriyaki sauce, of course. So we use soy sauce, and in Japan we use Japanese sake, Japanese liquor, and a little bit sweet Japanese liquor called mirin. But if you don't have these two, don't worry about it. We can always use white wine and a little bit of sugar. That's it. Okay, first we're gonna start with the onions. Once you slice the onions, I want to make sure that it doesn't get too strong. So I'm gonna put this into a little bit of water. And maybe for 5 minutes. Now let's start with the chicken. You see the lumps, so that this is higher, so we're gonna have to spread it out, yeah? So maybe we can do it by a little bit of cut inside and a little bit of cut inside here. Or you can just stamp it like this so that it gets spread. And maybe if you need, maybe you can slice off some of the skin. But if you want to have the skin, it's okay. Okay, we're gonna start with the chicken. But before we start with the chicken, I want to introduce to you guys one of my favorite Japanese beer. It's called Asahi Super Dry. This is very good. In Australian beer, there's a beer called Foster. It's a little bit more rich. It's tasty. So, a little bit of olive oil. And the skin part first, of course. So make sure the skin is very, not yet, not yet. Asahi Super Dry. Okay, while we're doing this chicken, I want to make some bread hot. So, we put the buns inside, and maybe a little bit 2 or 3 minutes. That'll do. Okay, now I want to introduce teriyaki sauce. Make sure all same amount. Soy sauce, white wine, and sugar. Oh, I forgot. I like garlic, so I'm gonna put a little bit of garlic inside my teriyaki sauce. It's very delicious. If you don't have garlic, just do it without it. Okay, I'm gonna put it all in. I want to make sure that the inside is well done also, so I'm going to put a little bit of time in here, steam it all up, and at the same time I'm going to enjoy my beer. Sounds good. Here comes the bread. Okay, the bread is good. Looks very good. So, I'm gonna open the chicken. Looks very good. Okay, so we're ready. We're gonna put the chicken on here. And on here. Looks very delicious. And of course the bread on here. So, I think the onions are ready. And if you like to enjoy more teriyaki sauce, maybe we can put it here. So bread.
今めちゃくちゃでも簡単なこ
これ。
と。それ英語じゃなくていいんですか。
そう思わない？ A little bit of mayonnaise. これでかすぎない。でかすぎるかもしれないけど、まあいいでしょう。これがどんな感じになるのかっていう。Okay, it's all done.